Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be sort of a general spring clean type video. I'm cleaning things that I don't usually clean, and because now the sun is coming out, I feel like you need to freshen up your house and clean all those things that you haven't done for pretty much a whole year or ever, as is one of the things that I clean. If you're new around here, hello, my name is Caroline. I do all types of videos on my channel, ranging from motherhood, cleaning videos, food videos, hauls, lifestyle, I don't know, anything and everything is here on this channel. So if you like that type of content, please do hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join the gang. And without further ado, let's get cleaning. So the first thing I decided to clean were my curtains. We only have, I think, 3 sets of curtains in the house, and I don't think I've washed any of them ever, which may be gross, but I don't actually think they smelt. But I just thought I'd give them a freshen up. So as you can tell, I struggled here with the curtain rod, but I took them down and shoved them in the washing machine. I also washed the sofa cushions. We do have 2 sofas, but we've made the mistake before of washing both sets of sofa cushions in one go, and then it is impossible to figure out which cushion cover goes on each cushion. So we do one at a time now. We've learned our lesson. The wet patch that you saw on the sofa cushion earlier is from coffee that I spilt on myself earlier in the morning. Once they're in the washing machine with the curtains, I then just gave the sofa a hoover down. There's loads of crumbs everywhere, especially when you have a toddler who eats biscuits. And then I moved the sofa away from the wall and was appalled by the amount of dust gathered. I also found a book, which I didn't know we had lost. So I hoovered up all the dust, obviously, gave it a polish, and then a proper hoover on the floor to make sure any dust that I couldn't see was gone, and put the sofa back, and was very happy with that. And then I used the Dr. Beckman carpet stain remover on a stain that was randomly on this part of the sofa. I don't know what it is or how it got there, but either way, if you know any cruelty-free dupes of Dr. Beckman, I'd really appreciate you letting me know, because I don't know any other types of stain remover like Dr. Beckman. And then, really randomly, I polished my plant. I didn't realise how dusty my plant was. It was horrible, so I gave that a dust down, and then I cleaned the fireplace. We do this quite regularly, but as you can see, not properly. Look how much dust was under this part of the fireplace. I don't know what the correct terminology is for a fireplace. And then using the Fabulosa anti-bac polish, I wipe down our blinds. I do this quite regularly because they do get very dusty, but I just thought I might as well give them a polish while I was at it. And then finally, the last bit of polishing I did in here were the light fittings. Again, it's something I don't do very regularly at all, and it does gather quite a lot of dust and, dare I say, cobwebs. I gave that a bit of a wipe down, and then I used some bicarbonate of soda with a sieve over the carpet to remove any odours that could be lingering. We left this there for about an hour. As you can see, I've got some fantastic footwork there. Left this there for an hour and then vacuumed it all up afterwards. Now the living room is all done. I enlisted Sean's help to do the windows. I was going to do this, but then I realised there were loads of cobwebs with spiders hiding in places, so I was not going to do it. So I told Sean he had to do it for me, so he did a very good job of cleaning all the windows, especially the back doors, where dog noses and children's handprints were all over it. While Sean did the windows, I decided to clean the washing machine. I was going to clean the washing machine drawer, but thankfully Sean had already done that, so it was perfectly clean. Thank goodness for that. I don't really like doing that job, so instead I just anti-backed all the door and in the rubber seal bit, and then I used this Fabulosa washing machine cleanser stuff, which smelled like blueberries. I'm not sure really how I felt about that scent, but it was fine. And finally, the last job, obviously I did this on a different day because it was very grey and miserable here, but it's a job I've never done before, and that is clean our outdoor bins. I've just never wanted to do this job. It's just not very nice. So I just sprayed them all down with a hose. I put some fairy liquid inside them and gave them a scrub down with an outdoor brush. I made them all nice and clean. Inside the recycling one was a few bits of like stuck down paper, which was only paper, it's nothing gross, but it did not make me feel good. I felt very queasy doing it. So I'm glad that these are now both clean, and to be honest with you, they probably won't get cleaned again until next year because, let's be serious, it's such a horrible job. And here are my nice shiny clean bins. I also did our indoor recycling bin as well at the same time. And yeah, that's it. That's my cleaning video done. Hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!